Oh, you got a cut rate.
It's not working, Dad.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. I didn't see the tape.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
CBS.
ABC. Pick out a good tree.
I like that one. There,
Which
John.
That one?
Stand by that tree.
That little one.
Yes, I'd like that.
That looks
Yeah.
like Charlie Brown's.
I think that's, yes, I like that.
Hi, Charlie Brown.
Don't slip, Howard. Did you pick one out yet? Did you pick one out yet? You know, on the way back, it's going to be colder. You're going to be walking into the wind.
They're all nice in here. What do you want? Oh, look at this one. I like this.
This is beautiful.
What is this? Hey, did you see the here? They're too small, and then we have to go find the first one we saw. Did you see the price?
This is the one I marked last year.
Let me tell you now, we're not getting no short stubs. I thought it was six last year. How about this one? Look at this. Whoever shaped it did it. Which one?
Which one?
This one right here. No.
No.
Yeah, that's the stub. No, that's not. Oh, look at this one.
Not 6 feet.
Look at this one.
I'm 6 feet.
How about this one? Denise?
No.
Sag bottom. I like that one we saw up there. That one here?
Is it cold down there? That's a nice looking tree.
Yeah.
How tall is it?
It'll be a lot taller when it's
About 6 feet.
6 foot, yeah.
Father.
It's nice and wide. Full and bushy.
Dave, can't you bend over instead of doing that? Laying in the snow?
No, he wants to get
Got to
wet.
be cold down there.
Yeah, cough
not
all
sitting
week
in my
long.
car.
Got a cold. You're gonna get your hair all wet, Dave.
How you doing, Howard?
Well, normally I do the cutting. This year I'm permitting Dave to do it.
That's good.
Here we are on John TV.
This year.
We have David Hancock's cutting down
Initially
a
it's going
tree.
in the trunk of the car. I don't know when it's going to come out.
Nice little skinny showing there.
Uh-huh, where?
Right there.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's a broad back.
That's
Getting very wet and very cold as it
that's
is.
the thing to do in this weather. What is it, 22 degrees?
About
Uh,
17, John.
17?
17.
And wind chill -5, something like that?
Right
Yeah, that
around
is
there.
correct.
Very
We'll have-
Christmassy out here.
We'll have we will have a weather report at about 5 o'clock.
Aren't you cold,
I think the tree got the best of David here.
He's having a little bit of trouble now, folks.
Uh-huh.
Oh, because these branches are in the way.
Cut them off.
No.
Ha! Just got one up my nose. That wasn't nice.
Life is tough cutting down Christmas trees in 17-degree weather with this biting wind chill.
Yes, sir.
Put a push.
I am pushing.
Almost.
Timber!
Are you cutting the right branch, Chief?
Yeah, Dad.
Okay. I think we have it here.
And there we go.
What an amazing feat. Look at that. Nice clean cut. Beautiful.
I didn't even get
I wish you
his top
cut it a
left
little bit
parts
closer.
wet.
However, we'll have to make do.
Very
Good
good
job,
job.
What a win.
Is that the tree that you're going to cut?
Yes,
Yes,
cut off.
this is the tree. This is how you cut down a tree. First, you must clear the snow away from your respective position.
Uh-huh.
Only the knees are allowed to be wet. Ha!
Nice and straight.
Smell them. Smell the tree. Smell good. Denise, want you that help? Here, I'll hold this. This helps. Why? Oh, you gotta help Rita. It's the hot chocolate. You gonna stay in the same spot?
Huh?
Stay in the same spot?
A nice straight cut, Steve.
It's not straight.
We'll straighten it out.
On your side, it's kind of hard to
Wipe
see
all
if
that
it's
snow
straight.
off your clothes.
Straighten out that cut.
There, it's all. No, your pants are gonna be soaking wet. You're gonna have to sit. Yeah, sure. It's all. No, it isn't. Your whole pants are full of snow. Ready to timber it?
Well, it's not a straight cut, but
All right, you can fix it when you get it down. It's really one of the little tiny tree. They really got some nice
yeah, push
Let Denise help, Steve.
push
Let
it.
Denise help. Push it.
All right.
You pushed it the wrong way.
Well, which way do you want
You
it?
gotta push it this way. This is the way it was following.
Does it really matter?
Put that saw behind you there, Steve. Get the other saw, Steve. Okay?
Get the other saw.
All right, lift it up, Steve.
Yeah.
And there you go.
Very good.
All right, we have about the third mile, John. 2 more miles to go, and
Okay.
of course we have that hill to climb.
Looks like you're withstanding this cold quite
Oh,
well.
This is normal. Last year I went twice the distance.
It
course,
wasn't
last
quite
year
as
I-
cold though, was it?
I cut the tree down by myself last year. 40-footer. Remember I put it in the living room?
Yes, went right through the ceiling.
Yeah. It was a good year.
And there they go.